Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to Send It 518. Today, we're going to be assembling an RC plane stand. Pretty much, you could find them online at rcplanestands.com, made out in California. Also, we're using the GoPro 11 for this video. So we're going to get started. Let's do it. Easy peasy. Nice and easy. Bolts. Washer. Fully adjustable for any size plane. Make sure your Velcro is straight up on top. Also, don't forget, click that subscribe button so you get notifications of any upcoming videos. Once we get the plane on, we'll adjust it accordingly to the size of the plane, which will be a trainer apprentice that I'm using currently right now. Easy. That's about it. Like I said, these arms are fully adjustable. Also, if you note, personally engraved, send it. Pretty much you got storage for down here for your transmitters and batteries. Perfect. We're going to go throw this in the trunk of the car and see how it looks. We'll be right back. So it's in the trunk. That's how she's going to look. Of course, I'll have to put the seats down when I get the plane on. But there's the finished product. Thanks to RC Planes and Glenn out in California. Did a great job on this. It's time to go flying, I think. Get the plane and head out to the airfield. Till next time, click that like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.